Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today I'm going to explain you how to add service tickets. So let's start. Just click on Service Manager module, then click on Service Ticket submodule. Just go to these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export multiple tickets through Export to CSV and Export to Excel option. You can easily print your tickets and take copy through these actions over here. To add new ticket, click on add ticket option. Then just search for customer. You will get the customer list. If you don't get this customer list, then you can check out my previous video how to add customers and just add it. Select customer, then select site. To add new site, just go on add site and add it. Then enter requested by. I'm just adding head. Then enter subject or the title. I'm adding AC repair. Then select the category, then subcategory. If you don't get this list of category and subcategory, then check out my previous video how to add service categories, then you will get that. Select priorities, then assign it to the technician, then enter schedule time, then select due date and enter due time. Then enter customer notice, then enter service notice, then select the device or equipment, then select the status. I'm selecting inactive. Previously I have created the video how to add ticket status. Check out that video and you can easily add that status to this list and just save it. Your service ticket entry will be created and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions, and you can also perform multiple actions through this action given over here. You can easily quick search your service tickets through these filters and refresh that data through this refresh button. That's it. This is how you can add service ticket. If you get any query to add service ticket, then please connect us at contact us@sunmosoftware.com. See you soon in the next video.